Goko ne kwa Kikuyu o podcast shira wa lukuruta legatha wa Gachagua kuma gitini na wambie guthikirio kuria mwena wa High Court na kwina drama shumireta kuria kana organisha jama shumireta kuria na mwena wa Deputy President kwina maundu uratetia undu wa mbere ati the bench of 3 judges according to the lawyer Jiro aruga atiriri ati bench ya jaji atatu ya guthikiria cira wa Deputy President efatie kwamurwo ni Chief Justice. No bench eno irathikiriria cira wa Deputy President as we speak ati ya Mûiru ni Deputy Chief Justice Norene Philomena Mûiru according to the lawyers Legatwa Gachagua, of which is contrary to the Constitution of Kenya. Ati mundu uria ufatie kwamura panel iyo ya jaji atatu ni Chief Justice and not Deputy Chief Justice according to the Constitution of Kenya. Now, there is another problem according to Deputy President's side. Marauga atiriri ati petition iria twaritwo kuria ni petition specific. Marauga ithatu ati mwena wa Deputy President matirarekwo matware ona petition ciao fairo ni ithatu na makauga ati meguthikiria riri o maundu macio matatu makoria atiriri niki o matenda guthikiririo maenda guthikiririo judges maenda guthikiririo mwena wa state no mwena wao ndwenda guthikiririo. Iyo riu niyo case ando mwena wa Deputy President Legatwa Gachagua niyo maba gwikira kuria na kuria High Court ne gwakanite mwaki munene muno, ladies and gentlemen, na ndegwa Jiro Moite Omari niyo marugamiriria side ya Deputy President, and we don't know how things will be, but according to what they are saying kwena kaundu marageria ku drive na kaundu kaya marageria ku drive ni atiriri mwena wa Deputy President ye ndrenda guthikiririo hena mwena uria wenda guthikiririo niki igoti na kiu nikio kiria kiambi kuranio huko nenda-ini niki igoti leguthia against constitution yatiriri CJ ni area Deputy CJ amre panel ya panel ya judges atatu mathikiririe kana gwathiria atia tondu mandate iyo ni ya CJ. What happened there? Then why these 3 petitions? Niki matenda kule petitions mwena wa Legatwa Gachagua othikiririo. That's according to the lawyers Legatwa Gachagua. Guys, makauga uhoro wa judges hena petitions shedoro muthenya wa Saturday na makoria tiriri petitions icio na judges matiko maikarire kiko higweyo mashoniria atia. No judges magacoke makauga tiriri they work online koguo na kwiko hena petitions shafairwo maybe they received them online. Kuringana na kesi ino uria huana ni kesi imwe ndito muno na ugikoni urathoma judges their official expressions for side ciothe ugithoma their official expressions ni andu maku ni andu maronekana ti cira munini ni cira munene muno, but side ya Deputy President ni maronekana ni marori ciuria nyingi muno tondu maruga atiriri ati cira uyu hingo ugutwarwo haria High Court ndwagirwo ukorwo we in favor of state. Ati petition iria citwaritwo kuria they all in favor of I think state. Ati igoti iria giro ukorwo ri fair mathikiririe everything but not as according to the petition. Ugo niguo side ya Deputy President mara argue, but hena jaji umwe auga atiriri onoko ne petition icio ingi ni ciguthikiririo ciothe igetha mahote gutuithania cira uria nama na kihoto. Side wa ya kuria mwena wa State House kana President kana mwena wa President kana mwena wa State tone kana the former AG Githumu Igai nitwa mwena kuria ni arugamiriire state na Githumu Igai ni lawyer still na lawyer munene muno. Side ya Deputy President arugamiriirwo ni Moite Degwa Jiro, Omari no damona side yo. So we are yet to see what will come out of this. This is a matter which is awaited. Oyoni shiro momona na muno. Shira orathikiririo kila handu ni a Kenya mebũrũri-inĩ ũyũ wa Kenya, not even Kenyans. Ona mabũrũri maja ni mathikire shira ũyũ. Tondu kuruta deputy president kuma gĩtĩ-inĩ, it's not a walk over. Ogikiro ati ni undu ogiko ati ni walk over, reikana on a petition kana ku impeach president. Ni motion egereho bunge na mundu ria agire motion iyo agikona bia kana akona influence nene, they can be able to impeach president on a president atana mahitia macio. This one should not be a walk over. Ondo wagiro is a matter yagiro kororo neroro kwa utheinie muno. Rikana itwarere igotire kumeka muthenya wa muthi. Neryo reko determine future ya Rigathi wa Gachagua in politics. Rikana igoti legetua shira liuge ati deputy president Rigathi wa Gachagua should be impeached to the maundu maria mona ne violated the maundu macio constitution. Agikioja hena maundu maigana ona egucemania namo na bemwe in 10 years to come dagirwa magitigi yothe kiria. So he will be inactive in politics like Waitito, like Governor Mike Sonko. They're not active in politics. They are inactive in politics. Maybe unless they go back to the court, then but it's dangerous. But he will fight till the end. It's a political matter. No, it's political matter. Politics. Ne interest ya politics. So he said he will not resign. Ule advisor one side shiothe. Kuna mamwela resign. Ado amwena wa thirikari. Makamwela resign. For you to rescue your political future. Makamwela resign. No age. Makamwela, oh, don't resign. Neke, yetumiwa kuresign ni rwariri. Fight till the end. If you believe you are innocent, fight till the end. Onokoro maybe parliament. Heno yawa thina mbere Senate maybe magitwire mbeca iria wakiheagwo igoti no rikorwo ri fair, and igoti they work according to constitution, and we hope they are not compromised. Mekuruta shira kana megutua shira uyu kuringana na kihoto na uma. So we are waiting and see, but kule mambo imechamuka na mwena wa deputy president ni urarehe thina muno oreda mwira tondu kwina file sa marona maruga kwina petitions file study ho na bado nishifati kororo na makoga na mundu maingi megu file bariti ohoro wa deputy CJ kwina orders ya mekire, and with that orders said ya deputy president Rigathi wa Gachagua, they are not happy about those orders. So we are waiting and see tuone vile mambo itakuwa, but anyway adu othe marete kuria, but ore magatua shira either Rigathi wa Gachagua shokio kanda gashokio. One thing, life must continue. So ore megutua shira will be contented with it, because we cannot tutigia overturn kana gutiro ndoge tugika tukwendea, we will be contented twendere o uguo, but nikwagirwo gukorwo na haki na gukorwo na undu ugukorwo wi sawa. So wikarite uguo, ladies and gentlemen, nyende kumenya maoni manyu, inyu murona atia, murona wikarite atia, murona wikara atia, murona maundu meguthi maikarite atia, and what do you think about high court nimegutua shira uri ofatie kana mekorera na mwena omwe? Remember, thirikari ni hinya muingi. Remember the other side matina hinya cio muingi, and igotini uri fatie gukorwo renito, but we hope they do their thing as according to the constitution of Kenya. Morale oma na kihoto, morale oma na kihoto, and they uphold the constitution of Kenya. Oguo niguo guga. But anyway, ore damwira whether Deputy President Rigathi wa Gachagua is impeached or he is not impeached, life must continue. Todo ona gwathi atia kana atia, when urethera irio, when urethera school fees ya mwana, when urekira maundu mothe. So guys, oduria outcome ria guka, let's not worry about it. Let's tumehimbirie maundu maikare ria megwikara guku ni kwa podcast maundu manyu reko It is what it is, man. Thank you. God bless you guys.